very happy to introduce the pioneers of our profession, my friends, Chartered Accountancy or CA, Alphabet of Trust, admired by stalwarts and looked upon by the nation. My friends, what a profession to be a part of. In the meantime, I'm gonna in fact talk to the pioneers of our profession. Very first is CA Radheshyam Bansal, sir. He chairman NIRCF ICA. And next is with me CA Raj Chawla, sir. He is in fact chairman of NICASA. And third is in fact with us very charismatic, in fact I would say member of NIRCF ICA. So let me just talk to them, and their guidance will be helping us to a very good professional. And at the same time, they are gonna inspire us, because my friends, all it takes to turn a dream into reality is a little inspiration, right? Right, my friends?
Yeah.
All right, on that note, let me just go to first very respected CA Radheshyam Bansal. So, what do you think that is we are going to learn from this kind of industrial visit? What is your view on that?
Industrial visit we organize generally for the knowledge to our students about the industries, how to manage the industry, how to produce the things. इस तरह से हम मैनेज कर रहे हैं सारी चीज़ को इंडस्ट्री में. जैसे आज ही हम जाके आए, गुरुकुल गए हम, और फूड पार्क में गए थे जो रामदेव जी ने बनाया हुआ है. तो हमने वहाँ पे देखा कि जूस कितने अच्छे तरीके से, कितना साफ प्लांट था सारा. तो बच्चों को उससे सब कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. प्लांट के बारे में जानकारी मिलती है. मैनेजमेंट हम लोगों ने देखा कि कितने अच्छी तरह से उन्होंने मैनेज किया हुआ है. लैब भी हर प्लांट के ऊपर उन्होंने एक अलग से लैब लगाई हुई है, लैब टेस्टिंग के लिए कि प्रोडक्ट की जो क्वालिटी आए वो बेस्ट क्वालिटी निकल के आए. लेकिन उन्होंने सेंट्रलाइज लैब भी लगाई हुई है. लैब हर लैब में से सेंट्रलाइज लैब में जाके उसको प्रॉपर तरीके से दोबारा से चेक करते हैं वो लोग. सेंट्रलाइज जो लैब है, तो हम लोगों को बच्चों को सारी चीज़ें प्रोसेस के बारे में भी पता चला. मैनेजमेंट के बारे में भी हम लोग सीखते हैं इन सारी चीज़ों से. क्योंकि यू आर द फ्यूचर ऑफ द चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स. तो हमारा काम तो सारी इंडस्ट्री से ही होता है. तो इंडस्ट्री के बारे में हम कहीं ना कहीं टेक्निकल चीज़ें भी सीखेंगे तो फाइनेंशियली हम लोग ज़्यादा प्रॉपरली गाइड कर पाएंगे. कि टेक्निकल नॉलेज भी हमें होगी तो फाइनेंशियल भी ज़्यादा नेचुरली बेनिफिट मिलेगा ही. ये प्रोसेस में क्या क्या चीज़ प्रोसेस में हो रही है, कल को हमें ऑडिट भी करनी है तो हमें पता होना चाहिए कि कैसे प्रोसेस हो रही है सारी चीज़ें, कैसे बेटर तरीके से हो सकती है. तो इसी तरह से बच्चों के लिए सारी इंडस्ट्रियल विजिट जो है वो मेरे हिसाब से बहुत अच्छी है.
All right, very well said, sir. Actually, we also knew a lot about this. Now, next, I'm going to see Raj Chawla, sir. He's the chairman of NICASA as well. Sir, my question to you is, what was it that was going to mind when you decided to organize this kind of industrial visit? Were you really expecting this kind of enthusiastic participation from CA students, despite all the hectic schedule they have to go through?
My dear, as we know that this NICASA is organizing workshop, seminar, industrial visit, mock test for our CA students. And the objective of this type of industrial visit is to take our students to the industry campus and showing them that what is the process of any industry. Because all the students of CA are not fortunate to visit the industry. Only some of the students are fortunate who are associated with those firms of CA. They are holding the auditing of this type of big companies. So every student is not fortunate to visit the industry. So this is the objective that all the students from whatever background they are, they should visit the industry and they should see that what is the process of industry, how they manage the big ventures of industry. So this is the main objective of our NICASA, which is funded by Board of Study and our NIRC of ICI. They are supporting me. That's why I am doing, every week we are doing the activities for our CA students. Either it is industrial visit or seminar or workshop or mock test, whatever it is. And in my tenure of 1 year, I have visited more than 5 industries like Mother Dairy in Delhi. In Hisar it was Jindal Steel and many more industry. And I hope that next month also we will try to have one more industrial visit for our students who have not come this time, so that all students should get this opportunity to see this type of industrial visit.
All right, that was wonderful. And next, I'm going to come to very respected CA Hamsaraj. So he's member of NIRCF ICI as well, and he is the chairman of James's committee. So actually, Howard University published very startling results. just 4 years ago, it said that 85%, and my friends, listen to this, 85% of chances of getting jobs or promotion depends on our soft skills, and only 15% on our technical skills. So on that note, I want you to suggest us, how can we really improve our soft skills on day-to-day basis, not only by attending GMC's programs, obviously we have to attend them, but how can we inculcate that in us through our daily activities?
Friends, just to share with you the first step, as we understand we are in a quite dynamic environment and the competition is always been there around us. So in the scenario, definitely the technical knowledge, what we understand with, this betters us. But in addition to technical knowledge, what one has to gear up for is the soft skill. Whether it is the communication methodology, whether it is the presentation skill, and whether it is the matters related to the management skill, which we have to get the things done through others also. Friends, the time has gone when it was the technical subjects which was of the high importance. Because of the current scenario, because of the, you can understand with the multinational corporate structure, because of the big corporates on the way to us, definitely the time is only for those who can get the things done from the others also. In the scenario, you have to get all those acumen of bringing out you as a professional, as a management professional, whether you from the CA profession, or you are from the engineering background, or you are from the medical background even. So we all have to understand under the current scenario, we have to equip ourselves with all those qualities which a professional has to possess with. To start with, definitely the first step is to take care of yourself, to understand yourself. Make your own assessment of your strength and the weaknesses. Definitely as far as the weaknesses is concerned, that has to go away from you. Strength has to be brought into, and the weakness has to be converted into the kind of strength which others should look like at you. Yes, this young gentleman has brought the best in you. And moving with this, the analysis of yourself, then equip yourself of the latest version of all the tools whatsoever is being required with, whether it is the IT tools, whether it is the tools which really inculcates the habit of bringing out a close network, the reaching to the heart-to-heart relations with the others. Naturally, it pays a lot if you are united together in numbers and everyone is interacting with each other, so that wherever one feels like, yes, there is some kind of shortcomings or the drawback, that has to be, by having suggestions from each other, one should remain away from those things. Positivity has to be around us. Always negativity should not prevail and take a shape of anything. So these things has the steps ahead which can definitely give you a way to reach to the heights. Friends, by inculcating these kind of habits only, yes, we can prove, yes, we are a true professional in the time to come. And definitely with this speed and accuracy and moving with this, we can be an entrepreneur, we can be a great professional. Entrepreneurs are never born, professionals are never been born, a good leader is never been born. It is the technique, it is the creation of yourself. It is the technique which makes you to do further and further. How you create it, nothing will come automatically. Things has to be created and crafted in the manner so that it gives us the path, it gives us the destination, and destination starts from the words, the idea. Idea has to be brought into yourself. The idea has to be converted into the actions, into the habits also, and ultimately it will destine your place. It will be converting to your destiny also. Friends, these are the basic philosophy of this soft skill, and we all at this age, you all rather, the age you people are into, the highest level of energy, better understanding, and having a strong will to do better and better. A burning desire in each one of you can definitely pave a way to reach to the heights. Friends, definitely with these words, I hope you understand my philosophy, and this whosoever has gone greater and greater, they have also tested this philosophy in the better manner, and they have reached to whether it is the female professionals or whether it is the male professionals. It is the killing spirit, it is the spirit which one has to acquire with the strong willness, and we all can well understand with the age you are into, that is the biggest strength for each. For India also, if we look at, because of the youngness in India in the majority, that is why we are growing with. Same way we have to place ourselves in the national level also at the top of the world in the time to come. With this philosophy, we all can grow with. India can be signing, and economy of the India can be take a signing place.
All right. On that note, now I want to come to the respected Chairman, sir. So actually, my question to you is, as you know, there are lots of students from Nepal who are pursuing chartered accountancy from India as well. So what is your view on their performance, on their caliber, and where is it they are lacking and where is it they are very good at? I want a view on that.
I think in Delhi there are around 15 to 20% students of the chartered accountant belongs to Nepal. I am very happy to see the number of students from Nepal. They are in very large number. जितना अभी तक मुझे आइडिया लगा नेपाली स्टूडेंट्स की जो एक क्वालिटी है एजुकेशन की, वो मुझे अच्छी लगी. जो फीडबैक भी मिला बच्चों से, स्टूडेंट से भी मिलता है, और जो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स हैं जिनके यहाँ आप लोग आर्टिकलशिप कर रहे हो, उनसे भी फीडबैक मिला कि नेपाली स्टूडेंट कहीं ना कहीं इंटेलिजेंट, काफ़ी इंटेलिजेंट है. ये मेरे को थोड़ा सा लग रहा है कि नेपाली स्टूडेंट्स के लिए आप लोगों को थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम ज़रूर आ रही है कहीं ना कहीं, जैसा कि आप लोगों ने डिस्कस किया था बैंक अकाउंट वगैरह खोलने में. एक आइडेंटिटी की आईडी की आपको जो प्रॉब्लम आती है, उसका हम लोगों ने कोशिश कर रहे हैं बातचीत करके. अगर उसका कोई सोल्यूशन हो पाएगा, HDFC बैंक से हमने बातचीत की है कि वो सारे नेपाली स्टूडेंट को जो भी चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट में एडमिशन ले चुका है, उन सबको बैंक अकाउंट इंस्टीट्यूट के बिहाफ पे या NIRC के बिहाफ पे उनकी आईडी मान के और उनका अकाउंट वगैरह खोल दे. ताकि और भी कोई नेपाली स्टूडेंट्स को भी कोई और भी प्रॉब्लम हो, हमारी तरफ से, NIRC की तरफ से, ICI की तरफ से, वी नेवर डिफरेंशिएट द नेपाली एंड इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स. वी आर ट्रीटिंग इक्वली. फिर भी अगर आपको कोई परेशानी हो एज ए नेपाली स्टूडेंट, यू कैन कॉल अस, यू कैन सेंड द मेल टू अस. Definitely we will sort out your problems.
All right, thank you very much, sir. Actually, I'm very much hopeful now onwards that people will be finding more support from NIRC. Obviously, we are getting lots of support. Thank you very much for that. Now, I want to come to very respected Chawla, sir. The best thing about you is, sir, the way you carry yourself, like the way you are able to carry others with you. That's the best part of being a leader. So I want you to tell us, how can we really have that kind of ability in us? Because I also want the same kind of thing that we have right now. And I think everybody wants, right? Everybody? Yes. Want to? Okay.
My dear friend, as our curriculum at the time when I passed my CA, there was a chapter in the management that was leadership. There are two types of leader. One is which is called great man theory, and second one is that is treatment theory. Great man theory says that leaders are born but not made. But treatment theory says, as our respected C. Hansraj Chugji told, that leaders can be made by training and education. So if our education is good, then leaders can be developed by that management techniques and communication skills. So we should focus, because this is the time of globalization. We should not only focus on the technical subject of our CA, as well as we should focus on our communication skills and management skills. So there are many educational techniques available, like our CA Institute is conducting GMCS, General Management and Communication Skill. The objective of this GMCS is the personality development and grooming of our students. So if we will have good personality, which is in us, but we have to develop it, because we want some platform where we can show ourselves, where we can prove ourselves that we are leader. So this is the CA is a very good platform where our students are grooming and going to be a global leader of India.
All right, thank you very much. So now last question to Hansraj, sir. I know we are making you wait since past, I would say, 10-15 minutes. And obviously I'll be coming to you also. Are you ready for that little feedback? Are you ready or not? Ready? Okay, last question to Hansraj, sir. So do you really think the future of chartered accountancy is in the safe hands now. I mean, what do you think about those young students? Are you really hopeful about the future, and plus the future of chartered accountancy growing beyond territorial boundaries in the days ahead?
Basically, if you look at the growth of the economy of the country as such, and if we really understand with, if someone else has proved it, this is the basically proving skill. If someone else has proved it, so why you cannot? People are really have achieved the heights. The growth of the country is well expected because of the change at the national level also, and the globalization scenario, we being a part of the WTO arrangements of the world, so the growth is bound to happen with, and challenging time is there, definitely because of the competition, because whole world is being considered as a one nation in the scenario of the WTO. So we all have to understand with being a professional of the high repute, so we have to move in the direction in such a manner so that our competencies and the qualities and the level we all have to prove with for the betterment and for the adding value to the others. Then only we can surpass the professional from the other fields like MBAs, like we can talk about the chartered accountants from the other countries also. We are well accepted across the board, not only in India, overseas also. Crossing the frontier of India, even rather the boundaries whatsoever is being available to us has no boundaries as such in real terms. Our presence is there all through the world, whether we talk it about the this Dubai kind of things, the UAE, or we talk it about the developed countries like US and the Europe, or we talk it about the underdeveloped countries also, African countries also. Everywhere chartered accountants have proven their skills. Everywhere they have put up all the best of their abilities for the growth, for the adding the value to the corporates, to non-corporate sector also. It is really, we can see like the future is really for we all as a professional, as a chartered accountants. And for the young ones, only I can share with you, yes, you have to bring out best in you. Your capabilities and competencies has to be brought into in such a manner so that look, you have to add value. Adding value only can give back the benefit of these things in you. That is the point you have to take care of. If you are taking care of these things, so then word belongs to you. That is the word I can share with you.
Thank you very much, sir, once again for your time. So, friends, actually I was talking to pioneers by profession. Whatever they said was really lovely, wonderful and inspirational. Now, last thing what I want to say is, if you want to travel the road for the first time, if you want to travel the road you haven't traveled before, it's better to ask the person who has already traveled that road. I think that's what we did. We have talked to the pioneers of a chartered accountancy profession. My friends, on that note, thank you very much. I'll be seeing you again. And please, if you think I'm doing a good job, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. That is SURAZESURAZ PASNET. On that note, once again, I'll be quoting one Hindi quote. saying, समाज में जितना भी नुकसान हमें दुष्ट व्यक्ति की वजह से हो रहा है, उससे ज़्यादा नुकसान हम शिक्षित व्यक्ति के निष्क्रियता की वजह से हो रही है. So my friend, let's start to act. Let's try to make the difference in the lives of people. We, being the future of chartered accountancy profession, definitely we are capable for that. On that note, I want to say goodbye. I don't want to talk more. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe me. Thank you, my friend.